Alrighty, Jonathan, here's your 427 small block Ford. Gives you a description of this combination. It's got a set of RC and seat heads on it. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the Edelbrock Pro Flo on it. Marked Serpentine belt set up. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Got your covers on it. Rear sump oil pan. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 460 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 530 foot-pounds of torque, and peaks horsepower 572. Rated at 575. It's got a front end on, so that's about 10 or 15. So everything's good. What we'll do now is we'll show you a couple little things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Really recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have engine number, some other specs. Anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watching all this stuff. It'll definitely make your installation a lot easier. Have a great day.